Top 5 apps like Clarkson New York clothing reviews that actually work today. Clarkson New York clothing is praised for high quality fashion, but most people get this wrong by not exploring verified alternatives. The surprising truth is several apps offer premium clothing with customer reviews and reliable delivery. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Nordstrom offers designer clothing with verified reviews and fast shipping. Users love quality and excellent customer service. Second, Saks Fifth Avenue features luxury fashion with verified bar feedback. Customers highlight authenticity and curated collections. Third, Revolve provides modern clothing with trusted reviews. App users appreciate stylish selections and frequent promotions. Fourth, Farfetch offers designer fashion with secure international delivery. Users report authentic products and reliable tracking. Finally, Bloomingdale's features verified clothing brands with loyalty benefits. Customers praise variety and shopping convenience. Pro tip: always check verified reviews and return policies before buying luxury clothing. This ensures satisfaction and authenticity. These 5 apps help you shop high-quality clothing safely and confidently.